YouTube. So right here in this bag, I have 3 of the most, you could say, underrated, slept on, cheap, affordable shoes right here, or a sneaker model. So this model right here, it is slept on. Nobody talks about it. Travis Scott even did a collab with it, and nobody talked about it. Price didn't really skyrocket or nothing. So without further ado, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe so we can go ahead and show y'all what's up in this bag. And so I have the first shoe pulled up on the computer right now. I'm looking at StockX prices, size 7 through, let's see, size 7 through 14. The average cost is about in between like 130. Size 13 is of course going to be the highest, but size 13 is 167. Size 7 is 124, and probably what most of your guys' sizes are, size 9, 10, 11, those are 140 and 130. So prices are really cheap, and mind you, I'm gonna show you a Travis Scott collab, so like there's no way that should be that cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the shoe right here. I told y'all the price, so then go ahead and show the shoe. So here's the shoe right here, Cactus Corporation's right there on the box, and this is a size 11, and I'm not gonna read the name off yet, but let's go ahead and open this up. Got little wrap paper. And hold on, you see? All right, look, here's the big reveal right here. Boom. All right, so I know what y'all might be thinking. Ugh, what are those? Those are ugly. Those are trash. But look, how much? 140? 140 for a Travis Scott collab. What are you complaining for? This is like actually, this is a good price. Let me get the shoe out real fast. This little box right here. Alright, so here's the shoe right here. We got this little cover on them. As you can see, both of them got like covers on them. And I got mine off StockX, as you can see. And it comes with spare laces. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take, don't fall. I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off so I can see what it look like. It's like buttons. Let's pull that off. So we have, here's the side right there. There's the back. See, the back part has a zipper. You can see it actually works too. See, it kind of works. Let me see. I do not think, I don't think there's like a pocket. This zips back. Dang. All right, and look, here's the front, but I do not think there's like a pocket back there. I'm about to see, but I don't think so. So, and then here's the, oh yeah, here's the inside too. Got that backward swoosh that Travis Scott is known for in his Nike collabs right there. So this is a really good shoe for the price. 140. You cannot beat that. That is a good price, especially for a Travis Scott collab. So I don't want to hear no complaining. Gosh, all y'all do is complain for real. But here it is. Let me see how much I paid, because the StockX thing should be in the box. If I didn't throw it away, I don't think I did. Ah, here it is right here. Boom. All right, let me blur out all the like important information. Oh wait, hold on. This. All right, look. So as you guys can see, there's the StockX card right there, and I paid $172. So that's a really good price for these shoes. Brown color, like all around this brown, different shades of brown. Super wearable, cool shoe. The store design, especially, hey, it's fall. Wait, it's autumn. I don't know. It's winter time, so this would be a good shoe, cause like the leaves are falling and like the plants are starting to like die or like turn brownish color. So this is like, I don't know, just bear with me, but these look good around this time. So let me go ahead and grab the second shoe. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I go get it, and I'm bringing up the StockX prices too, so y'all can see how much these shoes cost. Okay, so once again, looking at prices are really good for this shoe. Size 7, let's see how much that goes for. Size 7 goes for $134. Size 10 goes for $103. And then size 11, $118. Size 12, $132. So these are like really good prices. So let me go ahead and get the shoe. right here. Comes in this plain Nike box, like the Pantones. Yeah, the foam posits. I think like this comes in like a foam posit type box. I have some somewhere. I don't know what they are, but this is a plain simple box right here. Got these in the size 10 and a half. So let's go ahead and open them up. I already have these laced up because I did like style these for a TikTok video. But here they are right here. I really do like the colors on this one. Especially the midsole color. See, look, I like that aged look on there. You cannot tell me that does not look clean. But I really do like these. See, look, I already have them laced up and everything. Let me show y'all. See, look, I already have these laced up. Clean shoe. Bro, $103. Come on now. And like, this is like a super slept on, underrated shoe. It might not be for everybody, but like for the people who like it, this is a really good price, really good time to buy it before TikTok gets a hold of it. And then the price is gonna start skyrocketing to $1,000, like the Black Cat 4s that I unfortunately paid like, I don't even know, like $700, $650 for them. But yeah, this is a clean little shoe right here. For the price, yes, for the price, yes. So I'm just trying to find you guys like some cheap like shoes you can wear to school or wherever. Like if y'all ain't got like bread like talking about, I'm trying to put y'all on for real. I'm gonna make a underrated like a affordable sneakers for school type video. I'm gonna go through all these shoes and like find the affordable ones for school. So y'all just stay tuned for that video. It's coming soon, probably like the next week or a few days. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the third shoe. I do have 3 colorways of these, so let's go ahead and get into the next one. You're probably like, it couldn't possibly get any cheaper than this, but it can. Look, for this next shoe. All right, so the colorway might not be for everybody. It might not be the best colorway, but still, size 7, $96. And then size 10 goes for, guess what, $85. And then size 11 is $126. They tax a little bit low key, but let me go ahead and get the shoe, show y'all. Most of y'all might not like it, but for the people who do like it, it is a really good price for y'all. Same box as the last time, like a little plain Nike box. Go ahead and open it up. And here they are right here. It's not measured for real, but for $8,500, that's like, you can't even complain for real. Look, I paid a total of $107. This is the StockX thing right here. I'm not gonna show it too long. I don't want y'all to steal my information or see my address I'm at. But look, here's the deal. I know I could have got these off the Nike website, but it is what it is. I think that might be below. Hold on, is that below retail? Let me check what's retail. Yo, retail is $150. And I got these for $107. Steals. How much did I pay for the Travis? $172. So I only paid $20 over retail. So that's not even that bad for real. But here's the third shoe right here. Most of y'all might not like it. Don't complain. It's a really good shoe, really cheap price. If you want to stand out, wear something new. Cause like if you had a closed roof, you could actually style these and make them look nice. So never call a shoe ugly, cause with the right outfit, you can make any shoe look good. Unless you're wearing, I was about to say Panda Dunks, but I'm not finna slander those. I'm finna say moon boots. Those are so ugly, bro. Or the Blink Tacker Defenders, those are ugly too. But here they are right here. I'll do a little 360 for y'all real fast. Here they are, dead stock too. I haven't worn none of these, but here they are right here. So that is some cheap, underrated shoes for y'all. I have 3 colorways for y'all that I just showed y'all. Like I showed y'all on the computer, StockX, not lie. These are cheap, affordable. Of course, the Travis Scott ones are gonna be the most expensive since it is the Travis Scott branding on them. But for $172 total, that is a steal. And then for the other ones, I paid, where's that? I paid $107 for this one, and then for this one, for these right here, I don't know where I put this one. I put it somewhere, but I paid a good price. So with said, I don't know, with something. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more videos. Thank you for watching all the way. Just a quick little video. Want to come in here, show off some shoes. Much love. 1K subs on the way, and have a good day. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, probably like tomorrow or the next day. Like I'm like being like super duper consistent right now because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs, 10,000 subs, and then 100K subs. So just make sure you subscribe. Lay on. We out.